Stepping into a house with interior aesthetic is rich in color and pattern, avoiding a sterile or overly formal atmosphere. This vibrancy, combined with carefully chosen textures and furnishings, contributes to a strong sense of heritage and warmth. Maine House Interiors, a full-service interior design firm, undertook this home project with a specific goal in mind. Create a home that could comfortably accommodate large family gatherings for a couple with 7 children and 15 grandchildren. The design philosophy revolved around creating a sense of belonging, connection, and visual interest within the space. Inspired by the existing garden and the striking Carrara and Nero Marquina marbles found in the entrance, design director Amy Spargo spearheaded a layered interior design. The aim was to celebrate the home's grand proportions without creating an overly formal atmosphere. This resulted in a space rich in color and pattern, imbued with a strong sense of heritage. Significant changes were made to achieve this vision. Paneling was introduced throughout the residence, and old carpeting was removed to reveal elegant herringbone parquetry floors. Both the kitchen and bathrooms underwent complete transformations, and a conservatory was added to seamlessly connect the kitchen, family room, and dining area, enhancing the flow and functionality of the home. The client specifically sought restoration rather than a complete renovation, and Amy Spargo's expertise in the finer points of design was crucial in achieving this nuanced approach. The interior of this home is a testament to layered design, carefully balancing grand proportions with an inviting, lived-in feel.